Ever wondered if catfish farming can pad your income? Let's dive into the world of catfish farming, an industry brimming with potential and ripe for exploration. Over the past few years, catfish farming has captured the attention of many, steadily morphing into a lucrative venture. A quick glance at the world of agriculture reveals a shift in the tides, with an increasing number of farmers turning their attention to the waters. They're trading in their tractors and hay bales for nets and fish feed, exploring the realm of aquaculture. And at the heart of it all, you'll often find catfish. The catfish, a species known for its adaptability and hardiness, is a popular choice among those venturing into fish farming. With the right care and conditions, these fish can thrive, turning a simple pond into a thriving, profitable enterprise. Why the growing interest in catfish farming, you might ask? The answer lies in the catfish itself. Known for its distinct, rich flavor, catfish is a favorite on many dinner tables around the world. As a result, the demand for catfish is on the rise, and with it, the potential for profit in catfish farming. But it's not just the demand that's driving this interest. Catfish farming offers an opportunity for sustainable, environmentally friendly farming. Catfish are efficient feed converters, meaning they require less feed to grow. They're also resilient, able to withstand a range of conditions, making them a more sustainable choice compared to other types of livestock. So, whether you're a seasoned farmer looking to diversify your income, or someone just dipping your toes into the world of farming, catfish farming presents an enticing opportunity. It's a venture that promises not just financial rewards, but also the satisfaction of contributing to a sustainable food source. Stay tuned to find out just how much you stand to earn from catfish farming. And remember, if you're keen to learn more about the ins and outs of farming, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Farming Knowhow. We're here to help you navigate the bountiful world of agriculture. Dive into the catfish farming industry, a sector growing in leaps and bounds. Let's take a moment to swim through some statistics and growth patterns that have shaped this intriguing industry. The catfish farming industry has seen remarkable growth over the years. From the humble beginnings of small-scale farmers stocking ponds with catfish, we now see large-scale operations that span across massive acreages. This growth has been driven by a combination of factors, including technological advancements, market demand, and the adaptability of catfish to varying farming conditions. According to the United States Department of Agriculture, the United States, a frontrunner in the catfish farming industry, produced over 600 million pounds of catfish in the last year alone. This number has been steadily increasing over the years, reflecting the growing demand for this versatile fish. But it's not just the United States that has seen a boom in catfish farming. This industry has made significant strides worldwide, particularly in countries like Vietnam and China, where catfish farming has become an integral part of the aquaculture sector. The global catfish market is projected to reach a value of over $20 billion by 2030. What's driving this growth, you may ask? Well, catfish are hardy creatures that can be grown in a variety of environments from ponds to tanks, making them ideal for farming. Plus, they're a popular choice in many cuisines, known for their mild flavor and firm texture. The fact that they're rich in protein and low in fat just adds to their appeal. The growth of the catfish farming industry isn't just about numbers though, it's also about the innovation and resilience of farmers who have adapted to changing markets and conditions. They've embraced new technologies, developed efficient feeding methods, and implemented sustainable practices, all in a bid to keep this industry thriving. Now that we know the industry is booming, let's look at the profitability aspect. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the world of catfish farming and explore what makes it such an attractive venture. Let's talk numbers. How profitable is catfish farming really? The profitability of catfish farming is influenced by various factors, but primarily it's about the balance between costs and returns. At the core of the cost structure is the feed. Catfish are known for their voracious appetite, and feeding them can account for up to 50% of the total operational expenses. The type of feed you choose, whether it's commercial pellets, grain-based diets, or homemade mixtures, will significantly impact your bottom line. Next up is pond construction. Building the right kind of pond is crucial for the success of your catfish farm. The cost can vary widely depending on the size and type of the pond, but remember, this is a one-time investment that can serve you for many years if maintained properly. So, what about the returns? Well, here's the good news. Catfish are fast growers and can reach market size in just 5 to 6 months. The market price for catfish is also quite favorable, generally ranging from $1 to $2 per pound. Given that a single catfish can weigh anywhere between 1 to 2 pounds, you can see how this can quickly add up to a substantial income. But here's the kicker: the demand for catfish is high, and it's growing. The United States alone consumes over 600 million pounds of catfish annually. This demand is not just domestic but international too, with catfish being exported to countries all over the globe. All things considered, the potential for profit in catfish farming is significant. If managed well, a catfish farm can yield a good return on investment, making it an enticing option for those willing to dive into aquaculture. But of course, it's not all rosy. Every business venture comes with its own set of challenges, and catfish farming is no exception. So, there's potential for significant profit, but what about the challenges in catfish farming? Like any business, catfish farming has its challenges. Let's uncover them. Catfish farming, though potentially lucrative, comes with its fair share of hurdles. One of the most significant issues that catfish farmers face is disease. Catfish are susceptible to a variety of diseases, including bacterial and parasitic infections. These health issues can decimate an entire population of catfish, leading to significant financial loss. Therefore, maintaining the health of the catfish is a constant priority, requiring vigilant monitoring and sometimes costly treatments. Another challenge in catfish farming is maintaining water quality. Catfish thrive in clean, well-oxygenated water. However, maintaining such conditions can be labor-intensive and expensive. Factors such as temperature, pH levels, and dissolved oxygen levels need to be consistently monitored and adjusted. Additionally, waste management is crucial to prevent the buildup of harmful substances that can negatively impact the health of the fish and the overall productivity of the farm. Market fluctuations also pose a significant challenge to catfish farming profitability. The price of catfish can vary greatly depending on supply and demand, making it difficult to predict income. Furthermore, factors beyond the farmer's control, such as changes in consumer preference or import-export policies, can drastically affect the market. High feed costs are another issue. Feed can account for up to 50% of the operational costs of a catfish farm. Any increase in feed prices can significantly impact profitability, making efficient feeding practices essential. Then there's the weather. Unpredictable weather patterns can lead to changes in water temperature and quality, affecting the health and growth rate of the catfish. Severe weather events such as floods or droughts can have devastating effects on a catfish farm. Despite these challenges, with the right knowledge and management practices, catfish farming can still be a profitable venture. The hurdles are indeed real, but they are not insurmountable. It's all about understanding the risks and planning for them. Challenges notwithstanding, catfish farming can still be a profitable venture. Let's recap. So, is catfish farming a profitable venture? Let's summarize what we've learned. In the world of agriculture, catfish farming stands out as a unique and potentially lucrative opportunity. We've explored the ins and outs of this industry, delving into the potential profits and the challenges that come with it. The profitability of catfish farming is underpinned by a number of key factors. Firstly, the demand for catfish is high and continues to rise. This is driven by the fish's popularity in various cuisines around the world, as well as its health benefits. Catfish is low in fat and high in protein, making it a healthy choice for many consumers. Secondly, catfish farming is relatively low cost compared to other types of farming. The initial investment is manageable, especially considering the high return potential. The cost of feeding catfish is also lower than many other livestock, and with proper management, farmers can achieve optimal growth rates and high yields. However, as with any business venture, catfish farming does come with its own set of challenges. These range from the need for proper water management to dealing with diseases and predators. Despite these challenges, the potential for profit in catfish farming remains strong. If managed well, a catfish farm can turn a tidy profit in a relatively short period of time. However, success in this industry, like any other, requires knowledge, dedication, and a willingness to adapt and overcome obstacles. So, is catfish farming profitable? The answer is a resounding yes. However, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires hard work, careful planning, and a deep understanding of the industry. But for those willing to put in the effort, the rewards can be significant. Before you swim off, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more farming insights. Until next time, keep farming.